So, hello friends, welcome back to Trend School. Today I'll be giving you four important levels to trade Bank Nifty for tomorrow, that is on 3rd June. So, without wasting further time, let's start. So, friends, today as usual, I'll be giving you four important levels. So, the first two important levels on the upper side are 35,562, and the second level on the upper side is 35,467. Now, the two important levels on the lower side are 35,279 and 35,184 respectively. So now, friends, first you have to observe where the market opens and let it shape up, and then you have to see which direction it is taking. For example, if it is in bullish mode, so you have to trade according to these two levels. But if the market is gearing up for a strong bearish attack, then these two levels would be your targets and you can trade according to them. And friends, also to remind you that there are certain rules and there's a very specific mathematical formula to calculate these four levels. So if you want to learn how to calculate these levels and also want to know about the rules of trading these levels, we'll be conducting a workshop at the end of this month where our expert, Mr. Vikram, will be taking this workshop all the way from New Zealand. So he's a very knowledgeable person and you'll get priceless information in the workshop, and you'll also get to know how to use these levels, which is very useful. And you have seen this power of these levels, right? You can also join the Telegram channel if you haven't. The link will be provided in the description, or you can search Trend School on the Telegram. So this was it from today's video. I've told you about the important levels. We'll meet sometime later with another good video. Till then, take care and happy trading.